Hi guys, today I'm going to play Crash of Cars and I'm going to do differences and similarities between Windup and Hog. Let me check it out. Where did the Hog go? Oh, there's it. This is the Hog. Now I'm going to first be I'm going to start with select. Oh. Why does joining take so long? Okay. Anyways, Windup's ability is that if we go backwards, it will do a boost. Okay. See? I did a boost. I just boosted while I go reverse. Oh. I'm gonna take a power up. Bro, you got a boost power up? I just survived that barely. I barely survived that. Yeah, being too fast may cause problems. Bro, your name is Brian. Oh no. Now I need to do is to go and get a kill. Boost. This guy. I hit him with. Now he got the boost. Get the power up. I need to kill someone. Alright. I need to try again. I just got 3 kills. That doesn't matter. Can I? But stop pushing! Alright. I'm gonna go get some kills. Come on, let's go. Get some kills. Oh my god, here. I'm gonna go backwards for a boost. Alright. Oh god, another kill. Stop stealing crowns. Alright. I was about to drop spikes. Oh, I was about to hit that. And you go reverse. And you go reverse. Health. Yeah. Go away. Finally. Oh, railgun. Oh. Triple kill. You got a triple kill. Okay. Those are mine. Go away. I'm gonna go. 5 railguns. I just saw 5 railguns, man. And 4 shooting railguns. Like, I had a 4-sided railgun and someone else shot a green railgun. Oh no. I was a bird. Okay, let's go and get a freeze cannon. Oh, got it. Even hit. Oh, no. He got the power first. Alright, anyways, that was for wind up. Now it's time for hog. Find out that takes so long when you join and when you leave. Did it happen? Is it loaded? Load quick. Oh, it's loaded. Time for a hog. Let's do it in the dungeon. Oh. Right. Come on, freeze cannon. I hate homing. Okay, freeze cannon. No. Well, I wasn't even looking. Can you try again? I just spawned at the place where I died. I just used 2 black holes. Oh, too much power ups. Take that toad. I need to go get another power up. Freeze cannon? I just really needed a railgun. Come on, let me just get out. Okay. Got you. Landmine. Homing missile. Some oil so that no one comes here. Alright, green fire leads you to a different dimension. And if you're in multiplayer and you do this, you will find Mega Phantom. You can only fight it if there's 2 or more than 2 players. But not with bots. That's just so lame. Alright. I needed that. Alright, I got a black hole. This is the same card that I black holed. Oh no, you got sauce. You just oh my. Oh, I hate crows. Okay, that's fine then. Anyway, so the similarity of Windup and Hog is that Windup and Hog both have the same abilities, while differences is that Hog is biked version of, it's like a bike. Instead of Windup, you could see that Windup is a car, but this is bike version of Windup. It looks better than the original Windup. Looks better. You can see it's very cool. And its speed is faster than the original Windup. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.